This feels like baby angel's feathers. Merry Christmas, my American folks. This is actually my first ever Christmas spent in the United States. So today's culture shock is holiday gift giving. I'm gonna share with you what I've gotten from my American family, and I will let you know how do we celebrate the biggest festival in China. A little angel singing Christmas ornaments. Now I need to get a Christmas tree. Long candle. 24 pieces of clear icicle Christmas ornament. These are really cool. I love chocolates. I love chocolates and they know it. Pistachio chocolates. This typical ones. Oh, these are Turkish chocolates. They have pistachio spreaders inside. Very fancy. Dark chocolate orange bowl. Woohoo! Mint chocolate M&Ms. I love mint and chocolate together. Toblerone because how can you go wrong with Toblerone? Lifesavers gummies. I like Haribo since I was in Mexico and I remember Haribos. Haribos! If you watched one of my first TikTok videos, you would know that I like to communicate with meows. Meow. Regular meow. Meow. Cat fight. And purr. Got some Girl Scout cookies. Is it kind of typically American to have Girl and Boy Scouts, especially Boy Scout cookies? I mean Girl Scout cookies. Thanksgiving pumpkin socks. Artist socks. Because I'm a freelance artist. If you don't know already, go check the other one of my TikTok video. I picked out this one out of a bag. And this is another warmed color plaid socks. Embroidery kit. I don't know what to do with this, but I really appreciate the thought. I am still shipping furniture from China over here. It's not going to be here until the end of January. So in the last month, I have been living off limited clothing and I didn't have any hair dryer. And because of that, my family gave me this. I got myself a pull-up bar and I can't do a pull-up yet, but they're helping me with the pull-up assistance band. Thank you very much. Maybe one day I can unlock a pull-up. Again, a very considerate gift. It's really hard for me to edit videos. A grocery bag that I can carry around and can easily collapse into basically nothing. Super comfortable zip-up hoodies and matching pajama pants. This feels like baby angel's feathers. I'm a girl, so I love beauty stuff. And they know it. Lip gloss kit in 3 different shades. Body lotion. Oh, Lorac Sunset eyeshadow kit. The bomb. Instant cuticle remover, oil absorbing roller for my face, essential oil fragrance, shiny glittery scarf that has the Christmas spirit. Mayor's hand soap, again, something that I need for my apartment. From James Avery Jewelry, they gave me another charm for my charm bracelet. And look at this, because I do stand-up comedy. Oh my God. And I went to Dallas Comedy Club. I'm gonna keep going on the open mics over here. I have been telling stand-up comedy in China for half a year and I've done specials, I've hosted, I've done crowd work, all that. And now I'm in the States. It has money in it. It says, thank you for agreeing to draw the cover. I've agreed to draw the cover of a pamphlet for a poem collection from one of the granddaddies. He's in his 90s and he's a great writer. Another cool card with $50 in it. A paper map of Texas. And just imagine if GPS gives out one day, I'll be able to read a paper map and drive to where I want to drive. Survival skills. Mic drop. Paperback The Lost Bookshop by Evie Woods. I always love a physical book, even though I read Kindle all the time now for the convenience of it. But you know, nothing can beat this. Now, culture shock part. The biggest holiday in China is the Chinese New Year, which is happening in mid-February this year. The Chinese gifting tradition is actually quite straightforward. Very similar to what I've got in this form. We will be packing money. It can vary from a very small amount of change to a large sum of money in cash, wrapped in a wrap packet, which we call 红包. And we give this out to all of those important people in your life. 新年快乐,恭喜发财, which means Happy New Year and wish you get rich, because Chinese people will care about getting rich. Since China has been a cashless society for a long time, sometimes families are scattered around different parts of the world or different parts of the country. We still carry on the wrap packet or 红包 tradition through our messaging apps. For example, WeChat is the dominant one. We can send out virtual 红包 to each other. So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy early Chinese New Year. Goodbye, my American and Chinese folks. See you guys very soon. Mwah.